So I actually did not steal his car. The other day he was like, hey, I want you to install my air ride and I don't want to be there. I don't want to do anything. Maybe he just got it like that. Today is actually this video is probably gonna be in 2 days because we had attempted to start it yesterday and actually we picked up John's RX-7. And oh, we have a lot of footage of picking up the RX-7. We have a lot of footage of my uncle's body shop in Jersey, Metro Body and Fender. Josh is working on this. You must be kidding me, because this shit is crazy. What are you doing? Supercharger, man! I'm probably gonna shut them out right now. So that's the goal. Do the M3 air ride install. So we have a lot of footage. Let's get started. Alright, so we just pulled up at the shop right here, all these special auto repair. And right now, all of the air ride parts are gonna open up, close up, and I go to the shop in Long Island because it's, you know, kind of quiet over there. This video is not sponsored by AudioPipe, not. But if they want to, you could. I don't mind. Give me some money. Alright, gloves. Okay, so we got our gloves. Nice. Spider-Man. Who the frick is that? Alright, no one's there. Ooh, sexy. So now we're going to... Yo, I asked my brother if he could have got everything ready for me. But no. No. Wiring harness here. So I guess this is like the remote and stuff. Whatever, get the cars on the ground. Alright. Okay. Ooh. Compressor. Okay. Now where the hell are the backpacks? Oh, I think I see it. Alright. I'll give you guys a peek. What do you guys think? Carbon fiber, eh? Oh, you did get brand new hose. Yo, never keep around old hose. You know, if you have the opportunity to get new hose, get new hose. Alright, nice. Back here. Hey, back here. Anything else? No. Let's get the struts. Oh. Okay. Alright, the last two pieces of the puzzles. There you go, Jeremy. You are installed. Just joking. Alright. Oh, I didn't even bring a shop key. Okay, let's see. Huh. She need Marcus Garvey. Oh, no. Still fucking. Alright, so we're gonna close up right now. We're heading to Jersey to check out the RX-7. See you guys. If you guys saw the beginning of the video, you guys would know that we did donuts, and today's the day we did donuts, or whatever we did. We did it today. Okay. Alright, let's see if that's a good spot. Probably gotta roll back a little more, or that was a pain because the car is low already and I wanted to get it on the correct jack points. But it is, so ready to go. Oh, a little behind the scenes there, huh? Ooh, this car is nice. Mean car, mean car. We're going to start taking out the wheels. We got it out. Yeah. Alright, so now something is here. So I mean, not something. This strut bar. I think this thing should just M3. Alright, let's make sure the bolts, the factory bolts, fit, whatever. Actually, we'll put these up here until we're ready for it, right? Okay, just some word of advice when installing air ride on the BMW E46. Slide in the shock into the knuckle first, because it might give you a hard time, because the way it's angled, it's kind of, you know, it's kind of weird. I hope you guys like my channel, because this would normally take me about, like, let's say 30 minutes, 40 minutes to maybe do even to 2 fronts, or maybe an hour to do the 2 fronts. But doing the video recording, it's literally taking me forever. This thing is taking so long. You know, normally take me not as long as it's taking me, but it is taking me pretty long. So you know what, the next side I'm just gonna friggin' do, and maybe we'll do a time lapse, you know, to see how long it actually took me to do it. Alright, it's talking. So this side literally took me like almost all day. So, you know, this side I'm just gonna work like normal, see how long it takes me, and I'm gonna set a timer, setting it. Oh wait, let's start. Okay. Setting it. No. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. 3 minutes, 40 seconds. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. took me 9 minutes, I'd say 9 minutes, to do it without any recording. To take out the old one, put back the new one, and do all that stuff. Oh my god, sweating. Sweat, oh. Arizona. I hear the RX-7. Let's go check it out. Okay, day 2. We're gonna start taking out the wheels. Take out this wheel, the other wheel, and yeah. Alright, so today's day 2. We're gonna start doing the back. I don't know if we're gonna record everything because it's kind of like it's pretty hard doing it. You guys gotta tell me if you guys would rather DIY or more just like doing shit content. But here we go. We start. Alright, so the wheel is off. It looks like keep the same shock and a different, just the bag. Nice, nice. This is gonna be pretty easy. So what we gotta do, we gotta remove this bolt right here. Oh, he has nice camera arms, nice. It's gonna move this bolt right here. It's gonna drop down. We'll unbolt this bolt right here. You guys can't see it, but the bolt from here to here holding this cup, and we'll just drop the whole thing. Alright. Alright, so let's see if it works. We haven't tried it yet. Okay. Nice. This one I actually have to set in the bag, so I'm gonna do it and come back. Oh, there she is on the flow. Real PM skating down on the flow. Real PM skating down on the floor. This took me about 3 days because of you guys. Got the tank there, airline there. Let's see if we can see the tank and the stuff. I mean, oh, there it is. Super neat. Nothing. No like crazy amount of wires. Everything is nice and kosher. Alright, it's done. Now we can work on editing it. Yo, this car, pain in the ass, but it was well worth it. Alright, so we just finished the M3. It's done. It's actually 3 o'clock in the morning. I wanted to get it done. Wanted to finish it, wanted to get out of here. Let's go check it out. What do you guys think?
You have to tell them to press the notifications button, subscribe, and like the video.
Okay. Say give, and what about a thumbs up?
I think can't say that. Like the videos, thumbs up.